Conflict is the secret weapon of great relationships, but only if you know how to use it. Most of us see it as something to avoid, something messy or uncomfortable. But what if conflict is actually the doorway to deeper trust, better solutions, and real growth? The truth is, how we handle conflict defines not just our leadership, but our relationships as a whole. Conflict is inevitable. Whether it's a tense discussion at work, a disagreement with a friend, or a clash of ideas in your community, it's part of being human. But here's the thing, conflict isn't the problem. The problem is how we approach it. Most people see conflict as a battle to win, but the mindset leaves little room for understanding. What if we reframed it as a conversation, a chance to listen, learn, and find solutions that honor everyone involved? This is where constructive conversations come into play. It's about shifting from a defensive stance to a curious one. When someone challenges your perspective, instead of shutting down or lashing out, try asking, why do you see it that way? What can we learn from this? But let's be honest, this isn't easy. Constructive conversations require self-awareness. It's about pausing to recognize your own triggers and deciding not to let them control you. It's about focusing less on being right and more about being effective. Think about a time when a disagreement led to something better, maybe a stronger relationship, a better solution, or a new understanding. Those moments happen when we resist the urge to dominate the conversation and instead engage with respect and empathy. Conflict doesn't have to divide us. When handled with care, it can unite us. The next time you face a storm of disagreement, remember, you have a choice. You can let the storm rage on, or you can be the one to calm it, to turn it into a chance for growth. Because the best leaders, the ones who truly inspire, don't avoid conflict, they transform it. And in doing so, they not only strengthen their teams, but they also deepen their own understanding and impact. So how will you approach your next conversation?